Good afternoon, residents of Saba. This is Island Governor Gezaghèber Johnson with update regarding Tropical Storm Fiona. We are currently under a tropical storm warning. A warning means that we can expect for tropical storm conditions in 36 hours or less. This includes sustained winds within the range of 39 to 73 miles per hour. Tropical Storm Fiona is located about 585 miles east of the Leeward Islands. The center of Fiona is expected to pass about 30 miles south of Saba early Saturday morning. Based on the forecast, please secure your garbage bins or anything you may have outside. Contractors should clear up construction sites and secure loose materials. Please stay off the roads Saturday and Sunday as much as possible in the event of heavy rains, as there will be risks of landslides and falling rocks. We will come to you with more updates tomorrow. I thank you.